Okay, so I've just fitted the bags to the bike. I'm really impressed with these, I must admit. The base is so super sturdy. It only took me about probably around 10 minutes to fit them, bearing in mind it's the first time. I love the fact that they're just so versatile. They come with this bungee, so you can basically just, you know, hook stuff underneath that if you want. You've got all the spare little hoops for attaching other bags, like my Rhino Walk bag. I've got a 10 litre and a 230 litres, so I can attach those down either via the bungee or just strap them down with the little hooks, whatever. Yeah, I'm really impressed with them. I really am. I like the fact that every single solitary strap has either got a little Velcro, like hook and loop strap to secure it, or the little hooks, so there's no straps flapping around anywhere. The reason why I bought these bags, the main reason why I went for them, is because luggage is so hideously expensive, and after selling a motorbike and buying a different one, I didn't want to have to keep on changing the luggage system or changing the base. And this base, it just hooks in. The side bags just, or the side holders just hook into the top base, so you can adjust them and have them, it will fit like any bike at all. They strap on extremely quickly. I'll show you a different arrangement I'm going to do at the back in a second. They just hook on, and then you just pull here to adjust. I'm probably going to keep it like this, but I've just put it around the passenger footrests at the moment. They do provide the little D-rings for the strap to go through. I'll show you those in a second. There's a little pull hook that's on the bottom of the bag, so you can pull the bag down. I mean, bearing in mind these bags haven't got anything in them, so yeah, they don't look amazing as they are, but yeah, the way they release is you just have a top strap, and then you have the side buckles, and they've put a male on one side and female on the other, so that the bag can actually do up when it's out of the holder as well. That was something I was a little bit worried about when I ordered them. I wasn't sure if they'd actually done that. There's also a carry hook, or carry handle, sorry, on the back. They've put protectors behind all of the fittings. Another thing that I'm really impressed with as well is I didn't need to use the exhaust guard because I've already got one on my bike, but they provide 4 spare buckles, 2 large, 2 small, in case they were to break. So you've got spares, because that's what happens with a lot of luggage, especially in the cold environments. These can get a bit brittle, so they provided spares, which is really good. These are the D-rings and the hook and loop straps. Normally you put these, you know, to the frame or something, and then the strap goes through that, but I didn't bother. This is the different arrangement I was talking about. It also comes with these. So what I'm going to do is just get a slightly longer bolt, put it in there, and then these straps will basically, they come with these spare hooks. So you attach these hooks, you just undo the straps, attach the hooks halfway, and then the hook will basically go into this. And then I can also use that for my Rhino Walk bags as well. So yeah, that's the reason why I went for these. They just come with a lot of spare parts. They will go on any bike. They're really well made. They feel very rugged. The base, there's just no movement in that base at all. And it's just so quick and easy, and very versatile, like I say, because I can put a 30 litre Rhino Walk bag on the top of this, hook it down, and then I can even put my 10 litre on top of that if I wanted to. I mean, I doubt if I'm ever going to need that amount. I mean, these are 20 litres each, so yeah, I can't really see me needing 80 litres of luggage, but it's just nice to have the versatility. So that's why I recommend these. Like I say, £368 I think they were delivered. No import tax, no hidden costs or charges. I like these reflective bits. Good if they'd put the badge on that way. Yeah, I'll probably take that off, just keep that off, to be honest with you. I like things to be quite sort of simplistic, plain. So yeah, like I say, I've got an exhaust guard, so it doesn't even touch the exhaust really anyway. I mean, this basically, this seems loose because the bag hasn't got anything in it. Once it's done up, sorry, once it's full up, you can then pull these straps and they will tighten all the bag to the base, so there's no movement. Then you've also got these extra D-rings for attaching things to. So yeah, if you are looking for rackless luggage, I really do recommend the Westwind, sorry, Westwind. That's a comedy series, probably a bit like my channel, to be honest. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope that's been helpful, and I will leave a link for these in the description. And also, yeah, bear in mind that I bought them with my own wife's money. I'm not affiliated or, you know, sponsored. I don't get them cheap, anything like that. So just bear that in mind. Okay, take care. Bye bye.